Welcome, my dear friends, to this enjoyable lecture which contains a lot of information. In this lesson, we'll explore how to use renderers in ArcGIS to apply data-driven styles to feature layers. Renderers allow you to visually represent data on a map by styling features based on their attributes. This makes it easier for users to interpret data at a glance. Feature layers are data sets hosted in a feature service containing spatial data that can represent points, lines, or polygons. Each feature has two main components. Geometry defines the shape, point, line, or polygon, and position of each feature. Attributes. Data fields that hold information about each feature, such as names, types, or elevation. Renderers use these attributes to style each feature, making data-driven visualizations possible. Additionally, visual variables can further enhance these visualizations by adjusting styles dynamically based on data values. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Understand essential terms like feature layers, attributes, geometry, renderers, visual variables, and definition expressions. 2. Apply renderers such as SimpleRenderer, PictureMarkerSymbol, and LabelClass to style features based on attributes. 3. Securely use an API key for authenticated access to ArcGIS services. 4. Interpret and use code functionality effectively with in-depth explanations. 5. Evaluate your knowledge by answering assessment questions. Now, let's break down the process. Style a feature layer. First, open the Visual Studio Code. Create the AR commonly used for size, color, or opacity adjustments to reflect data-driven differences. Define the renderer with visual variables. Explanation. This renderer uses visual variables to adjust the line width based on the LF gain attribute. Lines with higher elevation gain appear thicker visually, indicating trail difficulty. Add the trails feature layer. Explanation. This layer represents trails with elevation-based thickness. Opacity reduces the layer's transparency, helping it blend with other map elements. Step 6. Style bike-only trails with definition expressions. What is a definition expression? Definition expression is a SQL-like filter that displays only features meeting specified criteria. Here, we use it to filter bike trails. Define the renderer for bike trails. Explanation. Bike trails renderer uses a short dotline style, making bike trails easily distinguishable. Add the bike trails feature layer. Explanation. This layer applies the bike trails renderer only to trails where use bike equals yes, effectively filtering for bike-only paths. Step 7. Style open spaces with unique value renderer. What is a unique value renderer? Conclusion. Using different renderers, we've styled various features on the map, making data-driven insights easily accessible. This lesson demonstrated how attributes and visual variables enhance map readability and interactivity. Evaluation. Evaluate your knowledge with the following questions. What role do visual variables play in data-driven styling? How does a definition expression filter specific features in a layer? What for the next lesson? Next time, we'll add interactive pop-ups to make the map more engaging, allowing users to click features and view details. We wish you a new understanding, and we will meet you in the next lecture